everybody, this is Kim and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Let me put my sunglasses on because I'm actually getting ready to leave. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx to see if I can find another one of those DW candles, the ones that look like a cup, like a latte, that latte collection. I don't really know the name of the collection, but I'm just calling it a latte collection. But I would love to find the other candles in that collection, so I'm gonna head there. I think I'm gonna grab me some lunch real quick because I actually haven't ate anything, only had my coffee today, and that's probably gonna be it. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments. Let me know if y'all ready for this semi-annual sale, y'all, because it's gonna be on the 14th, and that's not far away. Today's date is the 8th, so within days the semi-annual sale will be starting, and I cannot wait. So let's get this video started. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm finna head into Marshall's to see if they have the candles. Goodness, y'all, it's raining, and y'all know I just flat ironed my hair. Oh my god, the camera is wet, and I just flat ironed my hair, so y'all already know. Back to the ponytail, the tuck. Now I'm in the car. I did find some goodies. I found some good stuff. Well, woo, only found 2 good candles. I found the blue one. Yay. Happy about that. And this is the salted caramel latte. It's 2 more in the collection. And I found the pecan pie and cream candle. And then I bought a Lazy Susie, a marble Lazy Susie. And that's basically all I got. Okay, y'all, good afternoon. Today is the next day. I think I'm gonna put yesterday and today together and make one video. But I'm on my way to Marshall's, a different Marshall's. Yesterday I got caught in the rain, so I had to do something with my hair. So I decided to put little curls in it. I don't know how long it's gonna last because I'm natural, and y'all already know with the elements, the wind, the moisture in the air, all that stuff, these curls is just gonna fall. So I'm headed to Marshall's. I'm gonna try to find those candles that I'm looking for. Hopefully I can find them. What else am I gonna do? And that's really it. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find those candles and see what other I need lotion, and what other candles they have. So let's head on out to see what we could find, because I know I'm gonna be in the middle of rush hour. Oh my goodness, but it is what it is. Dang, I should have put some holding spray on my curls so they could last a lot longer. But also I'm carrying this purse for the first time today, y'all. Only reason why I'm carrying it is because this little purple right here in my shirt. So since I got this little purple in my shirt, I said, why not carry the Coach Pillow Tabby 18? So cute and so little. I most definitely had to big time downsize because I can't fit too much of anything in this purse. So let's get this video started because it looked like I've been talking about 3 minutes, which I know I'm probably gonna cut half of that out. My hair look like it look a mess looking from this front camera, but whatever. We got to get this one going. All right, let's head over to the store. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go in here and see what we could find. Hopefully we're lucky enough that we could find the candles that we're looking for. Fingers crossed, because from what I hear, these candles is selling fast. Dang, the store seems like it's super crowded today, or maybe because I got a late start. I don't know, but let's head in Marshall's first, and then I'm gonna head in TJ Maxx.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think?
Okay, y'all, I'm finally back at home. Actually, I've been home for a little bit. I just ate lunch, and as y'all see, I put my hair up because, oh my gosh. So I just put it in a ponytail. This will do for now, but let's get back into the video. I did find one candle that I was looking for, which I found this yesterday, and I can't remember if I said it or showed it on the video or not, but since I'm hauling all of my DW candles that I found today, I might as well show it again. If I didn't show it, I'm gonna show it again. So these are the candles that I was looking for. I've been looking high and low for this latte collection, and this is the salted caramel. I actually forgot to look up the scent notes, but I'm sure it's gonna just be caramel and cream and probably have a little coffee in it. This is a 1 wick candle, as y'all see. Hopefully you can see that. I just love the packaging. If you got the coffee collection from Aldi a couple of months ago, like last year sometime, yes, this one smells similar to one of the candles in that collection. So yeah, I actually really like this. Only problem I have with DW candles, some of them don't throw good at all, but I just absolutely love the packaging. So nice. And this candle was $7.99. As y'all do know, I got this one from Marshall's and TJ Maxx sell DW candles, and they range from $8 to $15. And you could get the mini ones for like $4. So yeah. And this is how many ounces? 11.2 ounces. The next one I got is this huge one. Hopefully y'all can see that because it is very light. This is Bubble Bath, and this is one of their big candles. This thing is huge. This one is 26.7 ounces. Yes, huge. And the scent notes, I went on the website to try to find the scent notes. It's rose blossom, powder musk, and wood. It's nice. It's very soft, and it does have that rose note. It's not bad. So we shall see what this do. This one is a 2-wick candle. 2-wick candle. More than likely I will burn this on the lamp warmer. I'll probably do both, because I do have another DW candle that's this same size, and it actually do pretty good both ways. Donut shop. Look at that lid. Super cute. Sweet donuts, sugar, topped with salted caramel. Wow. That's the scent notes off of the website. And this is a 2-wick candle, and it smells just like donuts. And this is a 15.3 fluid ounce candle. It smells like donuts fresh out of the oil. Almost like cake donuts. Really nice. This pina colada and rum. Pina colada and rum. This is a 1-wick candle. And I guess this is from the Form Stand or Form something collection. Any of them that has this wooden lid on it is from like they Form line. And the scent notes in this one is pineapple and coconut milk. This is pina colada and rum. I do get the pineapple. The other one I got was this one, and I could not find the scent notes on this one at all. But this is just pina colada and 1-wick candle. I just thought the packaging was so cute. Yes, this one is pina colada. I cannot find the scent notes. I'm assuming it's gonna be coconut, like a creamy coconut, and maybe some pineapple. I can't really get a good smell on it. And this is a rubber lid on it. And the scent is very light on this one, so I don't think it's gonna throw good. The next one, and y'all know I really don't care for cherry candles, but here we go. Cherry popsicle. Red and black cherries and lemon is the scent notes. Lid is so cute. And this collection is still on their website, DW website, if you can't find it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And it smells like cherries. It don't smell like Bath and Body Works cherries though. It literally smells like a cherry freeze pop. My husband actually liked this one. You know, I really don't care for cherry scented candles. Southern Peach Tea is peach, nectarine, apricot, sugar cane, and tea is the scent notes. And this is a 1-wick candle. I don't know if I told y'all, this one is 1-wick as well. And did I say 1-wick as well? But this one right here, 1-wick, most definitely get the peaches. This one kind of almost remind me of, no I don't. I was gonna say peach Bellini. You get that peach and it smells like the same peach in peach Bellini, but I also smell that tea. Yeah, so I think this one is gonna be pretty good. It's just that it's a 1-wick candle. Sucks. Now, for the items that stole the show for me, for the candle that I had to go back into the store to get, cereal milk. Oh my goodness, y'all. That's the lid. Like I said, I went back and I got another one. Oh my goodness, this candle smells so good. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I bought one, but when I got to the car and I smelled it, I went back. and got another one. Oh my goodness, this candle smells so good. So good. It smells like a fruity pebble cereal. My husband, they say Fruit Loops. First cereal came to my mind was Fruity Pebbles. This is good. This is really, really good. The scent notes is citrus, vanilla bean, and marshmallow. Heavy on the citrus cereal. Fruity cereal or something like that. Yes. Yes. All day. This is good. And I hope it throws just as good as it smells cold. Amazing. Like I said, I went back and got another one. And I think these were the only two left in the store. So yeah, they were $8 each. Also, that's it for my DW haul. That's actually, yes, that's it for my DW haul. But while I was there, I did get some soap. I'm just going to show it just so y'all can see. Like I said, Bath and Body Works selling 5-ounce soaps for $8 when you could get 10-ounce soaps from Marshalls or TJ Maxx for $3.99 all day, every day. $3.99. And this is a 10-ounce bar of soap. Luxury soap. Triple milled soap. Actually open it and see what it smells like. I really like the packaging on this, but y'all know I ride for anything black. So, oh, now see what I'm saying? Now look at this, y'all. Okay, packaging is actually really nice. As you do see, it has that wax in there too, that wax paper. See, this is what I'm talking about. See how big this soap is? You see the extra that they did on it? They stamped the name in it, and then the soap is actually wrapped in wax paper, and this is just $4. I'm just saying. So yeah, let me know, have you tried DW candle? Also, let me know, what is your favorite DW candle? Maybe I'll try it if I could find it. So yeah, leave that at the bottom, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Also, if I haven't said this yet, I want to give a big old shout out to the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what I put out, whether it's Bath and Body Works, a vlog, or whatever. You watch it, you straight riding with me. You are my MVP rider of the channel, and thank you for always supporting me. You keep me posting, and I know I said that a little bit out of order, but that don't matter. Y'all my riders, y'all my riders, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.